Hi, I promised you that I would show you the other Graphic 45 album that I made using the Trifold album. This one, I had so much fun making this one that I got carried away. And so it's a little thick, and so the magnet doesn't hold it shut, and that's my fault. So I put this really pretty little bow on it, and I like it just fine. So let me open it up and show you what we have. I used the Graphic 45 paper collection that I showed you that I would be using. I used one die, and that was the label die that I used here. But all the paper is from the collection. And I will be putting the name in the description box in case you forgot it. So this is your inside cover. And I just decorated it, made an envelope with an extra piece of paper, and then I did use the ephemera journaling cards because I think they're just lovely. And once again, I just used strips of the paper. I tried to do this just using the paper collection because, you know, maybe somebody wants to get into mini album making and they don't have all the dies and stuff. On this page, I made a belly band. Again, I used one of the journaling cards, and then I just made a couple of little envelopes that I could put stuff in. You open it up and look at this page. I think this is beautiful. All I did was once again use a little piece of paper. I used the journaling cards, and then I just did alternating rows of pearls and rhinestones that I had bought at Hobby Lobby. This is held with a magnet, and it's a nice strong magnet. And then a picture would go here, a journaling card there, and that's the way that I've done the whole thing. My rhinestones and pearls did shift a little bit, so I really kind of need to fix those. But this is lovely, I think. And this particular trifold, you know, I told you I had two that were not made well. This one was made well. And then I just made a little tag, and I did lie. I'm sorry. I did use one more die just to make a little decorative element on the tag. Cut a journaling card, put it on the back, and then I made a little tuck spot so you could tuck a picture in there. And I'll put this in the what I like to call the 45 pocket because old 45s were that size. Okay, turn the page, and then there's this other waterfall that I just love. Once again, I used the pearls, just used a strip of paper. It's also magnetized, nice strong magnet. And look, I used the journaling cards, put a picture here, and then you just continue that all the way down. Except I ran out of journaling cards for this one, but that's okay because I really like this. I think it's lovely. So I would encourage you, if this is your first time trying to make an album, go ahead and pick up one of these. Just make sure that you look at it really well before you leave the store, because I told you I had a couple that didn't line up well, and I don't know if that's because the storekeeper had them in the store for a long time and maybe I don't know, the adhesives might have shifted. I'm not sure. But anyway, I hope you like this. I just used one 8x8 paper pad, didn't even use it all. Used two dies. I know I said one earlier, but I did use two, a label die and an edging die. And then I just used one package of the journaling card ephemera. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.